GE Fit, compatible with select GE side-by-side and bottom freezer refrigerators, XWF filter. Filter life, 6 months. Premium filtration, certified to reduce chlorine-resistant cysts, lead, select pharmaceuticals and 50 other impurities. Lead removal, lead is invisible, tasteless and odorless when present in water. Reduce lead with this under sink filtration system. Pharmaceuticals reduction, reduces select pharmaceuticals, including ibuprofen, progesterone, atenolol, trimethoprim fluoxetine. Impurities not necessarily in all users' water. PFOA, PFOS reduction, reduces 99% of perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, and perfluorooctane sulfonate, PFOS. Review from the United States. The filter installed with no problems. I think GE might have labeled some of these filters wrong. I bought 2 off another site and neither one had the chips in them. So, I was a little worried about this filter. I read a few reviews that the filter didn't have the chips. This one did and I had no problems with it. I do think GE needs to make it so you can use the filter with the chip or not the chip. I don't need the frig to remind me when to change. I used the stickers that come with the filter to remind me when to change them.